Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.4% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair gained 2.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.8% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The gold market is clinging to $2,000 an ounce. However, strong neutral sentiment in the marketplace suggests that the precious metal is in no hurry to go anywhere anytime soon. The Bank of Japan kept ultra-low interest rates but announced the plan to review its past monetary policy moves, laying the groundwork for new Governor Kazuo Ueda to gradually phase out his predecessor's massive stimulus program. The US dollar rose to end last week after data showed inflation grew in March, though at a slower pace, keeping the Federal Reserve still firmly on track to raise interest rates at this month's monetary policy meeting.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing New Orders Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base will be released at 2350 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.